Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading, April 13 to 19, 2026, general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. O kaya naman ay mag-book na kayo directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Taurus, let's see what is the energy this week. You have the Three of Pentacles. You'll be talking to a lot of people, lalo na sa trabaho. Pwedeng may mga ka-deal ka. This is also collaboration, teamwork, expansion ng career. We also have the Two of Cups and the Sun. O yan. So, iba sa inyo meron dito may ka-meeting kayo related sa work. And ang maganda yung magiging resulta ng meeting na to. Maganda yung pagkakasundo. You have the Seven of Cups. Actually, maraming interesado to connect with you or to work with you. Kung ikaw ay freelancer or ikaw ay self-employed. But you also have to be careful sa intentions ng mga taong makakasalamuha mo or mag-o-offer sa'yo ng opportunity. Let's see what else. Five of Cups. Meron kasi dito na you feel like meron kang pinalagpas na oportunidad. Okay? Kung nandun ka sa point na nagde-decide ka sino or ano or saan yung pipiliin mo, pakinggan mo yung instinct mo, intuition mo, and at the same time, parang pag samasamahin mo yung iba't ibang factors para makapag-decide ka. Kasi baka meron ka ritong mapili na, bad decision for you, na manghinayang ka lang. There's also a major change in your life, transformation. Maaring meron kang drastically gustong baguhin sa buhay mo na you want na ikaw yung may control about your life, about your career. Hindi yung tipong ikaw yung pinasusunod, no? Oo. So, some of you maglalakas loob na mag-explore, be it sa career or, to be more independent. Ayun ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, decision making ninyo. Pwedeng mamadalain nyo, hindi nyo pag-iisipan, and ang ending, kayo ay magsisi. Diba? You have a decision to make. Something that you need to think about. Submission. This is about your instinct. 12th house is also your instinct, your subconscious. Ano ba yung sinasabi ng subconscious mo? Venus is the planet of love and money. So, pwedeng related to sa career, trabaho mo. O kaya naman, sa relationship, whether pipiliin mo ba tong tao na to or bibigyan mo ba ng chance? Or itong ka-deal mo, ito ba yung bibigyan mo ng project? Siya ba yung pipiliin mong ka-work? Ganon. Ka-negosyo. So, be careful. Be bold and make the first move. Ayan. So, maaring mas magiging, active, proactive in taking actions. Oo, ito yung tipong hindi ka maghihintay kung ano yung darating sa'yo. Ikaw mismo ang maghahanap ng oportunidad na yan. Mas proactive ka. And mas masipag, of course. Nothing is yet set in stone. So, if things are not doing well for you ngayon, hindi naman ibig sabihin yan, ganyan na yan, hanggang matapos. So, you still have the control over your life, kung ano yung pupurso mo, ikaw pa rin yung may hawak niyan. Kailangan lang magtiwala ka sa sarili mong desisyon. Ayan. And be bold, no? Some of you, maglalakas loob kayo or Magte-take kayo ng risk when it comes to relationship, when it comes to career, decision sa trabaho, whether may pagbabago, may shifting. Let's say, mag-iiba ka ng career path, lilipat ka ng company, susubok ka sa business. Okay, so just trust yourself. That is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.